Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today we've got some crazy road rage accidents that will definitely make you laugh. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. This man was not waiting for anyone. He was really looking forward to crashing into someone. Where did that car even come from? Some people and their inability to drive carefully. The poor driver was trying to save himself, but of course, the other guy couldn't think of saving his car. This guy was in a rush to total his car. Just by looking at this, I can tell how brutal the accident must have been. The way the van did a tiny jump when they collided is so cute. I love how the other driver drives away like nothing happened. It looks like both the cars were wrestling. I can't tell if this should be funny or shocking. The car is like a stranger trying to cut in line. You don't even know where they come from, but they're so annoying. This car was glitching. There's no way someone can just accidentally drive off the road and into someone else's car. What a horrible cop. The poor driver was doing nothing wrong, he just simply honked. Even cops are untrustworthy. I can't tell which driver is at fault, but whoever was in the wrong. The way both of them are driving is horrible. This woman was driving into the other car and thought it was the other guy's fault. Some people are so unreasonable. This guy was driving completely fine and midway drove off the road. How is that even physically possible to do that by accident?